excuse me, the 18-week average for support. KRE, the regional banking, this is where it has to hold. If it doesn't, I think you'll be down at the 58 level, the 200-week average. So to me, this is a must-hold area in the market. In XLI, underneath everything here, problems in this market. I still look for lower lows to be happening out of the industrial sector. In the energy sector, you're down to the point of short covering. First time you hit Bollinger Bands, if you take a look and you go back and you look at them, you will see. I'm not saying it's a trend change. I'm saying it's a spot to take money off on the short side, and that's what I think just happened. In addition, you're oversold. In the dollar, well, you're back down to support at 29.21. A nice break here, over $1. Remember, this is a market that trades normally 20, 30 cents at a time. So when it did that, it broke the back of the market temporarily. In GLD, look at how you're just fighting here at that 18-week average, void of a trend. It is not trending just right now. Copper, to me, is still in a bearish trend. And if China can't pick its economy up, it goes even lower. That's what I would think would happen. And I'm sorry, that's the end of that. I'm going to repeat to you. Let me show you what you get in my New Year's sale. The key is you buy my key charting course. It's normally $599.95, and that's what we do sell them for, by the way, half price. Then you choose from either a Bollinger Band and or the outside day course. Obviously, you're going to get all these different values thrown into it. Each one of these. So you get to see what we're doing each morning. You see what I write. I'll make sure you get, your fair value out of all this. It's $596 in value. And you're paying $299.95. The course itself, now understand, you're 600 retail. So the week after this, you go to buy the course, that's what you're going to pay. You're getting those in free value. So you can choose these. You can, by the way, give it away. You can keep it for yourself. You can bank it to take it at another time. I'll be raising the price of all these, so that's another way that people do it. Sometimes I get somebody a year later comes in and says, hey, Ira, I'm now ready. Whenever you're ready, go to iraepstein.com. There'll be an icon up here. You can give that a click. Take advantage. Right after the new year, it's gone. So probably a good time to take advantage. I'm Ira. You have yourself a great evening. A happy new year for everybody now, but of course I'll be with you the rest of the week, of course. I'm not going away for the new year, so I'll be here. You take care.